Hello, hello, how are you? Okay, I hope you find good. So, um, today we will explain chapter 2 in the English Social Studies. Firstly, let me share my screen with you. Okay, I think now you can share my screen. Okay, after last time we have finished the North and South America. Okay, and taken the worksheet 1 as an assignment. So here today we are gonna explain chapter 2, and the first lesson is producing the food. Producing the food. Okay, this is start. Adapting to change. What does it mean adapting? Adapting here does mean accept, as we said before. Okay, adapting to change. Okay, so here firstly, wait. Okay, just let me try to make annotate. Yes, here is adapting. Okay, just a minute. Let's try to find another color. Adapting that's mean accept. Okay. Accept the food. Okay. Sorry, accept the change. Okay. So here that's a number 1. Before 10,000 years ago, all humans were hunters and gatherers. Again, before 10,000 years ago, all humans were hunters and gatherers. Of course, we know what that's been hunters. Okay, that's in hunters catching animals or hunting animals and gathering plants. Okay, then at the end of the Ice Age, at the end of the last Ice Age, brought about climate change that affected environments around the world. What does mean this sentence? The sentence means that at the end of the Ice Age, you remember Ice Age? Ice Age, that's in the long period, okay, doesn't freeze the world, okay? So here the Ice Age brought about climate change. So here listen, after the Ice Age, the climate has changed and affected environments around the world. Affected environments around the world. Okay, in many places, warmer temperatures allowed people, animals, and plants to spread farther north and south from the equator. Okay, so here that's in many places warmer. Do you know warmer? The warm weather, okay, warm temperatures. Of course, we know what does mean temperatures. Warm temperatures allowed people and animals and allowed the plants to spread farther north. Spread? Where exactly? North, south from the equator. Do you know equator? What does mean equator? Hmm. Equator here, that's mean, okay, equator here, that's an imaginary line or imaginary line. Equator here, that's an imaginary line, okay? Divide the earth into two places, okay? Equator, we can write here, imaginary line. Wait, we can write. Okay, just a minute. We can write here. We can write here, okay. Here, as well here. Okay. Equator means an imaginary line divide the earth into two places. This is what does it mean, equator. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, that what does it mean, equator? Okay. And here, warmer and temperature allow people and animals and plants spread. Okay, so now we can make a question. We can make a question. Okay, that's in what the effect or what the affection of warmer temperature. Okay, we can write here what the affection of warmer temperature. What the affection of warmer temperature what the affection of warmer temperature. Okay, so here what was the affection that animals and plants and animals and people and plants spread farther north and south. Spread farther north and south. Okay, this is the affection of a warm temperature. And the next point here, listen, some people became better at at storing food, and others developed new weapons. Also, it is considered as the answer of the affection as warmer or of warmer temperature. So here that's in number one here, that's in the people, animal, and plants spread north and south. And here the people became better at storing food from the developed the weapons or innovate new things. And next here that in southwestern Asia, gatherers who were usually women tried planting the seeds. Okay, gatherers who were women tried to planting the seeds in Asia, in southern Asia. They successfully planted and grew wheat. Successfully planted and grew wheat. They became the world's first farmers. They became the world's first farmers. Who are the first farmers in the world? Who are the Asian women? The Asian women, okay? Who are the world's famous first farmers? We can write here who. Okay, and here's you can write. Okay, the answer is the Asian women gatherers. Gatherers, yes, the Asian women gatherers. Okay, that's in who? World's first farmers. Okay, that's nice. Okay, is it understandable for you? I hope so. I hope so. Okay, after that here, let's try to move into the next part. Okay, agricultural revolution. Okay, but firstly, okay, try to take a photo. Take a photo. Okay, because mm, we will move into another part. Okay, never mind. Okay, all drawings. Yes, okay. Okay, here is agricultural revolution. Agriculture revolution. About 10 years ago, about 10,000 years ago, some people in Southeastern Asia became the first to face food storage. As we said, they were the first farmers, and they were the first to face food shortage. People in Northern Africa, Southern Asia, Eastern Asia, Southern America, and had changed from hunters, had changed from hunters and gatherers to food producers without having learned about farming from others. Again, all of these people, who are these people? That's in Northern Africa, Southern Asia, Eastern Asia, Southern or South America, South America, all of them had changed from hunters and gatherers to food producers. Okay, so it doesn't change. That's in every one of them has special techniques. Every one of them has special way, okay, in hunting and gathering food producers, okay, without have learning about farming from each other. Okay, so here listen from these regions, the knowledge of farming spread around the world. From these regions, what are these regions? North Africa, Southern Asia, Eastern Asia, South America. From these ages or regions, the knowledge of farming spread around the world. Before agriculture or the knowledge of raising plants and animals, most people lived their lives as nomads. Hmm. So here's an important question now. Important question. Okay, so here that's in what about the people or what about the people who lived before spreading agriculture? What did they live or how did they survive? By hunting and gatherers, and they were nomads. They were nomads. Do you remember what this means, nomads? Nomad, the people who move from place to another place searching for food. This is nomads. Okay, so here that's it. They, it's an important part here. The most people from here. Okay, most people live their lives as nomads. Okay, important nomads. Okay, important word. The people learned about agriculture and began to build shelters in permanent settlements. Permanent that's in long life. Permanent that's in long life. Okay, that's not called permanent. Okay, permanent here that's mean long life or the basic life. Permanent. Okay, long life or the basic life. Okay, now we have finished. Okay, and I hope it's useful for you. And tomorrow, inshallah, we will explain more in the class. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.